Welcome. If you want to check real battery capacity in your DOOGEE S80, at the first you have to open the Play Store, click on the search pool and type Ampere. We will use application from this developer, Braintrap. Right now we can open that application. Click yes, I agree, tap close. And click OK at the left bottom corner, and when we swipe on the right side, we will find capacity of our battery in this place and its real capacity. You can also find here other data, and basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.